What are chief strategy officer responsibilities? Now, these responsibilities can vary significantly depending on the company and organization that the chief strategy officer is working for. But in my opinion, the top three are strategic planning, collaboration, and communication. So let's dig down into each of these, starting with strategic planning. So the chief strategy officer will develop strategic initiatives directed by the CEO and or a board of directors. So these strategic initiatives will align the company's business goals, objectives with the vision and mission of the company. What will happen as these are developed, they can be developed to increase top line sales. They can be developed to increase profitability, to reduce costs, expand internationally. There are almost an endless number of strategic initiatives that a chief strategy officer can take on behalf of the CEO. So that's the strategic planning portion. The next key focus area is collaboration. So this responsibility for the chief strategy officer is very, very important because this individual does not have a big department with a lot of employees. At least normally they do not. So they have to collaborate with the other C-level executives in the other departments to build the plan and any type of execution of the plan, or it will not be successful. So collaboration is very, very important. It's a very important skill set for any individual in this role. So the last key focus area is communication. Once we have built the plan, we obviously have to have buy-in for the plan because the execution will be done by everyone else. All of the C-level executives, all of the departments have to understand what is the vision, what are the ultimate objectives and goals for a particular strategic initiative, and a chief strategy officer has to have a high level of skill in this area of communication. Now, there are other areas that a chief strategy officer can focus in if they are directed by a CEO. And some of those areas are market analysis, business development, risk management, performance measurement, innovation, and leadership. Any of those areas a CEO could direct a chief strategy officer to get involved in. And that involvement would be aligning the business objectives and goals with the vision and mission of the company. So that's it. I hope you liked it. And if you did, please subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment. Take care.